Ever wondered how CBD oil could benefit you? Or perhaps you've heard about its health benefits but aren't quite sure what they are? Well, you're not alone. CBD oil, a derivative of the cannabis plant, has been gaining considerable attention for its potential health benefits. From offering relief from chronic pain to reducing anxiety and stress, improving sleep, and even managing symptoms of serious conditions like epilepsy, CBD oil is touted as a versatile and natural remedy. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of what makes CBD oil a potential game-changer in natural health remedies. Now, let's explore the many benefits of CBD oil and how they could potentially improve your health and well-being. Firstly, the analgesic properties of CBD oil offer relief from chronic pain conditions like arthritis and neuropathic pain. If you're dealing with persistent discomfort, CBD oil might be a natural solution worth considering. Next, CBD oil can act as a calming agent for your mind. It's known for reducing anxiety and stress levels, promoting a sense of relaxation and peace. For those struggling with insomnia or other sleep disorders, CBD oil can be a game changer. It aids in regulating sleep patterns, helping you achieve a more restful night's sleep. On top of that, CBD oil is anti-inflammatory. This makes it effective in reducing inflammation, which can be particularly helpful for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Moving on, CBD oil plays a role in epilepsy management. In fact, it has been approved by the FDA for treating epilepsy, particularly in reducing the frequency of seizures. CBD oil's potential doesn't stop there. It also has neuroprotective properties, which could be beneficial for conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. For skin health, CBD oil can be a boon. Applied topically, it can improve skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. CBD oil may also help manage symptoms related to cancer treatment, like nausea and pain. Although more research is needed, some studies suggest it can provide relief. In terms of heart health, CBD oil may reduce high blood pressure and improve heart function. This could make it a heart-friendly addition to your health routine. Acting as an antioxidant, CBD oil helps neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. This boosts your overall health and well-being. For individuals grappling with addictions, CBD oil may help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, aiding in addiction management. Finally, CBD oil shows promise in supporting mental health. It may help manage conditions like depression, PTSD, and OCD, providing a natural path to mental health support. As you can see, the benefits of CBD oil are diverse and impressive, offering potential relief for a multitude of health concerns. So, to sum it up, CBD oil's healing potential is quite remarkable. From offering relief in chronic pain conditions and reducing anxiety to improving sleep and heart health, this natural remedy is an all-rounder. It's even been approved by the FDA for epilepsy management. CBD oil supports mental health, helps in addiction management, and can improve skin health. Acting as an antioxidant, it protects cells from damage. With its vast array of potential benefits, CBD oil is truly unlocking nature's healing potential. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health matters.